Hello all, today I wanted to explain how to print Fibonacci series in Java. So basically Fibonacci series are like a series of numbers. The third number is the sum up of the past two numbers. So if we can see the output part here, which is highlighted in yellow, so 0 and 1 are the first and second numbers. So third number is like addition of previous two numbers, and similarly 2 is the addition of past two numbers, and 3 is like addition of 2 and 1, and 5 is like addition of 3 and 2, 8 is addition of 5 and 3, and 13 is addition of 8 and 5. So these are all Fibonacci series. So how to print by using Java language? So this is the question I have got in multiple interviews. So the logic is like we have to store the 0 and 1 in two numbers. So that is the first point. And also second point is like by using a loop we can print till how many terms we want a Fibonacci series numbers. So the terms means like how many numbers we require the Fibonacci series. So here I will be requiring till 50. So I will give my condition in the for loop as 10. So I will get a 10 series of like Fibonacci numbers. So in the third point, it is like a sum up of previous two numbers, as I mentioned before. The n3 is a sum up of n1 and n2. So after getting the third number, we will swap the number of n3, n1 and n2 as below. So the logic is mentioned here. So n1 will become n2 and n2 will become n3 post printing the n3. So here after printing 0 and 1, n3 will be like addition of 0 and 1, and after the addition printing we will swap the number of n1, n2 and n3 like below. So the swapping part also will be very easy. So we'll follow our steps like store the starting two numbers n1 and n2 as 0 and 1. So we have stored and also we have printed in our console. So in the system.out.println here, and after that like we have declared n3 and we have started our for loop as mentioned in the loop second number point. In the loop we will be like running till 10. So we will get the numbers till 50. So Fibonacci series till 50. So I have run it as 10 times the loop. So I will get the 10 numbers. And n3 is the sum up of n1 and n2. And post printing n3 we are swapping, right? So if we can come here if we can say 0, 1 and 1. And 0 will become n1, 1 will become n2, right? So in the loop, when loop starting, n3 will become n1 plus n2. So here 1 will become n3. And after printing 1, we have to swap, right? How we have to swap? Now here 1 plus 1 should become 3, should become 2, right? Sorry. And 1 is like already it was n2. Now we have to made it as n1. And the second one is like n3, we have to make it as n2, right? So the same we have mentioned here, n1 equals to n2, n2 equals to n3. So again loop will start and then it will print like that. I have executed it in the online compiler and this is the output. So we have printed till 50, so it is the n value is 34.